How to Make a Traditional Ofrenda by Brianna Troncoso. An ofrenda is a collection of items assembled to honor the lives of those who have passed. It originated in Mexico and is part of the Dia de los Muertos, Day of the Dead, which is also celebrated in other Latin American countries. Materials needed: photos of the deceased, flor de muertos, marigold flowers, salt, papel picado, tissue paper banner and/or flowers, incense, a cross or religious items, water, candles, calaveras, skulls, pan de muertos, bread, bebidas, drinks, items belonging to or enjoyed by the deceased, background cloth, serape, colorful sash or cloth, monarch butterflies. Ofrenda object symbolism, representing the four elements earth, water, wind, and fire. For earth, pan de muerto, bread, signifies earth. For water, bebidas, drinks, signifies water to quench the spirit's thirst. Air, papel picado, tissue paper cutouts, signifies wind. Fire, candles, signifies fire to light the way. Additional symbolism. Marigolds signifies the creation of a path to lead the deceased home. Monarch butterflies are believed to hold the spirits of the dead. Sugar skulls are left for a child who passed. Bright colors are added to guide the dead, such as a serape. There are up to 3 tiers depending on your altar. Pictures of the deceased are placed on the higher tiers as an invitation. Mid-level tier offers objects to make the deceased feel at home. Lower tier contains the candles and/or hygiene to cleanse from their journey. Personal significance. This is an honored tradition in my family and culture. This is a way to honor and celebrate the life of my past loved ones. Step 1. Position the background cloth on table and/or desired altar place. Step 2. Add papel picado to desired areas. Step 3. Adding bright colors to attract the deceased. In this image, we use a serape cloth. Step 4. Add monarch butterflies. Step 5. Add candles, fire element. Note: religious items can also be added. Step 6. Add calaveras, skulls. Step 7. Adorn with marigolds. Step 8. Place photos of deceased throughout the altar. Side note: animals can be added to the altar too. Step 9. Add pan and bebidas, earth and water elements. Step 10. Add personal items or liked objects of the deceased. Step 11. Disfruta. Enjoy. References. Thank you all for watching.